Hi, lovely children. Today we are going to read the book Animal Chatter. Animal Chatter. Let's have a look at these tricky words. Phonic, funny. Are, you, your. All, there, here, come, some, they, said. Ribbit, said the frog, lost in the fog. Ribbit, said the frog, lost in the fog. Buzz, said the bee, look at me. Buzz, said the bee, look at me. Quack, said the duck, I am in luck. Quack, said the duck, I am in luck. Cheep, said the chick, pecking at a stick. Cheep, said the chick, pecking at a stick. Whee, said the wombat, jumping off a hat. Whee, said the wombat, jumping off a hat. Woof, said the dog, stuck in a log. Woof, said the dog, stuck in a log. Boing, said the kangaroo, I can spring too. Boing, said the kangaroo, I can spring too. Ouch, said the snail, out in the hail. Ouch, said the snail, out in the hail. Oink, said the pig, you are big. Oink, said the pig, you are big. Said the skunk, sitting in the junk. Said the skunk, sitting in the junk. Blob, said the fish, and had a wish. Blob, said the fish, and had a wish. Snap, said the shark, and that was that. Snap, said the shark, and that was that. Lovely children, we have reached the end of this book, and it is time for some questions. Are you ready, children? Who jumps off a hat? The wombat jumps off a hat. Why does the snail say, ouch? The snail says ouch because it gets hit by the hail. Where is the skunk sitting? The skunk is sitting in the junk. Congratulations, dear children! You just finished reading a book. Do repeat this book again and again so that You become a master at reading.